Welcome. Today we'll be exploring the free Tooltip menu plugin, a powerful tool to attract the attention of your visitors through menu on your WordPress site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add icons and text to your menus for a fresh and dynamic look. Let's get started. Step 1. Plugin installation. To begin, we need to install the plugin. 1. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. 2. Search for Tooltip menu. 3. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate. Now we're ready to start using the Tooltip menu plugin. Step 2. Accessing Tooltip menu settings. Next, head over to Appearance and open Menu. If you haven't set a menu for your website yet, you'll need to create one first. Step 3. Adding tooltips to menu. Let's add a tooltip to a menu item. 1. Go to the Menu Tooltip section under the WordPress dashboard. 2. You'll find fields to customize tooltips. Select Menu, choose the menu to which you want to add a tooltip. Select Sub-menu, pick the submenu item for the tooltip. Select Icon or Text, choose between text or icon. Icon color, customize the color of your icon. Enable blinking, activate the blinking effect. Icon alignment, choose where to position the icon. Text icon selection, choose from predefined options like New, Fresh, or Hurry. Dashicons alternatively, select from 10 popular dashicons available. Step 4. Customizing tooltip appearance. Now, let's customize the appearance of the tooltip. 1. Color customization. Use the color picker, match the icon's color with your website's branding. 2. Blinking effect. If you want to grab attention, enable the blinking effect. This makes the icon blink at intervals. Step 5. Icon alignment options. You can also adjust the icon alignment to fit your design preference. Position the icon slightly above or below the submenu text. Step 6. Save and preview your menu. Head over to the front end of your website and hover over the menu to see your newly added tooltips in action. With the Tooltip menu plugin, you can easily add different text or icon tooltips on other menus. For this, click Add More and then select a different menu and the choice of icons, colors, and other settings. Save, and now 2 different menus are grabbing attention with different icons. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.